In a sunny garden, there lived a happy sunflower named Sunny. Sunny was tall and yellow with a big, round face like the sun. All the other flowers in the garden liked Sunny because he was always cheerful. One morning, Sunny woke up feeling extra special. He noticed that something magical was happening. Little birds were singing, and colorful butterflies danced around him. Sunny realized it was his birthday. Excited and happy, Sunny called out to his flower friends, "It's my birthday today. Let's have a party." His flower friends, Daisy, Rose, and Lily, were delighted. They gathered pretty petals and leaves to decorate for the party. Daisy brought her sweet scent, Rose brought her vibrant red color, and Lily brought her graceful white dress. The party was filled with laughter, games, and delicious flower nectar. They played petal toss and musical leaves. Sunny felt like the luckiest sunflower in the world to have such wonderful friends. As the day turned into evening, the fireflies arrived, lighting up the garden like twinkling stars. Sunny made a wish and blew out the tiny candles on his leafy cake. His wish was simple: "I wish for more sunny days and happy moments with my friends." The moon rose in the sky, and the garden became quiet. Sunny and his friends snuggled up for the night, feeling grateful for their friendship and the beautiful day they had shared. Sunny knew that birthdays were special because they reminded everyone to appreciate the sunny moments and the friends who made life brighter. With that happy thought, Sunny closed his petals and fell asleep, looking forward to another day in the sunny garden.